This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry properly. First, build a strong foundation by understanding core concepts such as atomic structure, chemical bonding, and stoichiometry. Review essential math skills, including algebra and unit conversions, as these are crucial for problem solving. Familiarize yourself with the periodic table, knowing the properties of at least the first 20 elements. This foundational knowledge is your first step towards success. Next, engage actively with the material. Attend all lectures and participate by asking questions to clarify any doubts immediately. Chemistry is a hands-on subject, so work through numerous practice problems and textbook examples. Aim to complete at least 10 to 15 problems per topic. Consider forming study groups with 2 or 3 peers to discuss challenging concepts and collaboratively solve complex problems, reinforcing your understanding. To optimize your study habits, employ effective techniques. Create flashcards for essential terms, chemical formulas, and reaction mechanisms. Review these daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Utilize spaced repetition, revisiting topics at increasing intervals to strengthen your long-term memory. A powerful method is to teach concepts to a friend or explain them aloud. This process reveals gaps in your understanding and solidifies your knowledge. Finally, regularly assess and apply your knowledge. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each week to review previous topics, ensuring information remains fresh. Practice with timed exams or quizzes to improve your problem-solving speed and accuracy under pressure. Strive for an 80% or higher score on practice tests. Connecting theoretical knowledge to real-world applications, like understanding how chemistry impacts everyday products, deepens your appreciation and retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.